Let's get into this detailed review. Here we have. This box is fire, bro. Sail black and storm blue, and I guess these shoes are unisex because they got a woman size on there. This box is fire. Never had a box like this before. Just Dawn right there. Air Jordan Wings logo. Man, that's kind of like almost 3M, but not quite. Let's see what's on the bottom. Jumpman Nike. Nike Air Sole. Man, this box is nice, man. Ooh-wee. There we have it. And off the back, I must say, the quality on these are nice. Here you see the Air Jordan 1. I guess it's kind of like a fragment maybe. Then the Air Jordan 3 bottom. Air Jordan 3 bottom. Air Jordan 3 bottom. And I guess the Air Force 2 the Air Force 2 strap. Let's see what they got on the inside. Let's set the box right here. Let's take a look at that tongue, man. But the quality on these are pretty good, man. And it takes them to go to a hybrid shoe to give us the quality we want on all the ones. You see the tongue right here. It says Just Dawn with the Nike swoosh. Let's see what they got on the inside of these bad boys. Oh yeah. It says Just Dawn right there. And this, yeah, that is stitched. That is stitched. It's not. See if we can focus in. Got the Just Dawn logo. There's that focus there. And that is stitched. So you don't have to worry about your heel rubbing that away. It is stitched. Man, that lighting is crazy. But yeah, overall, these are slept on, but they did sell out on Just Dawn and on the sneakers app. So I just thought it was something different that I would add to the collection. And I can't wait to try these on feet. These are like, I'm gonna wind up beating these up. These will be something that I'll just throw on. And I actually never owned a pair of Just Dawn, so I didn't own the 2s. I didn't own the Air Force 1s. Those are the only things that I knew that Just Dawn collabed with. So y'all let me know in the comments if there's another collab that I missed. But yeah, that leather, man, the quality on these are crazy. Look at that tumble. That's what we be wanting, man. That tumble leather, you feel me? But yeah, this your boy Vanity. We out, man.